What's up guys, Holy Crap, it's Rob here, and today we're going to show you guys how to build a space shuttle. So we're going to build a Mark III space shuttle. First thing we're going to do is build the plane part of it, and then we're going to build the rocket on top of it. And remember, when we're building the plane, we're going to want it to have the center of lift behind the center mass. We're actually going to put the fuel tank in the front, even though in real life the fuel tank's in the back, but we're just going to make it work. And yeah, I'll fast forward the footage now. Okay guys, we're on the launch pad now, and yeah, we pretty much checked all our bases in the VAB, so we're just going to launch now. So yeah, now that we're in space, we can turn on our throttle and then turn on time warp, and it'll lock us into our position. So we're not gonna have to fight for control over the asymmetrical thrust. So I'm gonna do that in 5 seconds. I'll show you what I mean. I'm gonna press Z and then I'm gonna press P, or not P, period. Okay, so time warp stopped, so I stopped the game entirely, so I'll have control over the spacecraft now when I get back in. Okay, our orbit's pretty elliptical, so we're going to get back to the apoapsis and burn again. Okay, when we reach our apoapsis, we're going to start the burn. Okay, well our orbit's pretty elliptical right now, as you can tell. It's still in orbit, so we're just going to leave it as it is. We're not going to push our luck. So yeah, we're going to make sure our fuel tanks on the shuttle are full. We're going in the resource manager, putting in on the Mark III, clicking start. And then yeah, we're going to detach this big fuel tank right here. And while we're at it, we're going to deactivate the vector engines because they're asymmetrical. So deactivate, and deactivate. And then now these are activated already, even though it says activate. This is status nominal, it's bug. But these are activated already, so we're gonna release our payload here. Actually, we're not gonna circularize our orbit at all. We're just gonna open our cargo bay. Actually, let's go in the sun to do it, so it'll look better. Okay, now we're gonna release our payload. Okay, we already lost control of it. I don't know why, but that's another bug, I guess, in the game, where you lose control of probes for some reason. But, yeah, we're just going to let that float away for a little bit. And then, when we get to a periapsis, we're going to burn, down until we get to the, back into the atmosphere. Actually, we're going to lower our apoapsis first to 70,000 about. What's that? 99,000. 89, that's good enough. So yeah, we're just going to do another maneuver to lower our apoapsis, so when we go in for re-entry, we're going in pretty slowly, so everything will survive, theoretically. That's good enough. Now we're going to go to a periapsis again, and we're going to lower apoapsis into re-entry. So hopefully we're going to re-enter in the, where's our spacecraft? Okay, it's over here. Okay. Hopefully we're going to re-enter in the daytime, so we can see what's going on and stuff. We're actually going to go a little bit past our periapsis. Then we're going to burn retrograde again. Turn the lights on. They're already on though, but yeah. Okay. Now we're facing retrograde. We're gonna burn until we get like a re-entry right about here. Okay, that seems pretty good. It seems like a pretty steep encounter, even though it's like radial, but yeah, we'll definitely land in the daytime with this trajectory. Let's just hope it's not too fast. So we're pitching down now to maintain some speed, because I don't know how fast you have to go to glide in this shuttle, because it's my first time flying it. So we're going to go pretty fast downwards. So when we have to flare, which means pitch upwards very fast, when we get near the ocean surface, we're going to be able to do that. And we're going to be able to slow down very efficiently. I'm calling that a successful landing, even if it is in water. That was a success, and I'm really happy about that. That took me more tries, well, more attempts and video recording than you guys would have thought. Because, you know, sometimes the spacecraft would just fall apart, the wings would fall apart if you quick load the quick save. So yeah, that's how you do it. No quick saves, no quick loads, no cheats, no nothing. So yeah, that's how you build a space shuttle. We're gonna recover this vessel now, and yeah, we're gonna call that video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.